Hello everyone. April 4th, 2024. Enjoying this rare snowstorm here in town. This one's expected to last quite a bit. A couple days at least. Lots of wind. Expecting some power outages, probably some more storm damage like what you see here. I wanted to put together a little video to show some of the storm damage here with the tree and how close it came from hitting the house here. In fact, it looked like part of it did right up there at top. You can see it hanging off the side of the roof there. But it looks like a couple branches came down from that little cluster right there. Let me zoom back out. All kinds of debris. Oh, look at that one way over there. Let's get a closer look here. Probably shouldn't stand underneath of it. If these were coming down, probably wouldn't take much to bring more down with it. So actually, we'll just record from back here, especially with the wind pushing through now. Yeah, look at all that. What a mess. You know, if any of you watching this video want to contribute your own video, or if you have some storm damage clips that you'd like to send my way, let me know and I'll shoot you an email. We can figure out a way that we can get it maybe over to me, and I can maybe do a compilation of submitted videos from you guys. Just a thought. We'll see.